Hey, what's up? It's Brandon from Brighter Hills Ranch. So, check out my cool shades. Just went to the eye doctor, so my pupils are dilated, and they gave me the most styling pair of sunglasses I've ever had. Anyway, that's not what this video is about. I bought a '05 Chevrolet, 1-ton dually service truck, full work truck, and I'll show it to you here. Give me a sec. So there's the bruiser. It's a good little service truck. It's got good tires on it. It's got chrome simulators. 8-foot bed, nap hide body. Got some new lights I'm gonna put up in here. It's got a vise that mounts here in the back bumper in the hitch, or you can put it in the receiver hitch down there. It's got an air compressor with a Honda motor in there. That's pretty nice. Looks like it had tinted windows in the back. The tint film is still on there, but it's just really faded. Like you can almost see straight through it, like it was never even tinted. It doesn't look much different than the front windows. It's got the multicolored strobe light up on the top, and clearance lights, you know, like a lot of the dualies had. It's a 6-liter V8 gas engine, which is kind of cool because they're good motors as far as being able to make some power. But they're cheap to work on, super cheap to work on, a lot less expensive to operate than an old diesel. I know that a diesel would be a good truck. Modern diesels are good. It's just expensive if something goes wrong. So in this case, if I have a problem with this engine, I can go pick one up at the scrapyard for $700. I checked, by the way, my local You Pull It junkyard has 14 of these in stock. So not to say that you want to take a used motor and put it in a truck that you want to depend on, but the point being, if something goes catastrophically wrong, I can get another engine. I can you know, do all the things that it needs while it's out of the vehicle, you know. Change the lifters, change the oil pump, change exhaust manifold studs, those common problems on these 6-liters, and just deal with all that while it's out, and then put it in, and I'll have a decent running motor again. So that's kind of where I was at with purchasing this vehicle. It is rear-wheel drive only, but with the good tires on there, I feel like it does pretty good. It's got limited slip rear differential, and 11.5-inch rear end, so it's pretty stout. 410 gears. Now as far as tool storage, it's got you know, the bigger lockers in the front, no drawers, just shelves, and I haven't even really begun to load this thing with tools. I've just thrown some stuff in here that I use around the farm, but I think it's going to be a good work truck. We'll be able to turn wrenches with it, so that's a good thing. Pretty excited. It is a 6-passenger, so it does have 6 seat belts. The whoops, that door's locked. Basic interior, just vinyl floor, vinyl seats. Seats are a little tore up. It does have a nice Pioneer touchscreen radio in it with new speakers. I've got the back seats folded down, makes a nice storage spot for stuff. But anyway, this is my next project. I'm going to change these marker lights that are broke on the side of the truck here. And I'm going to change one of these backup light bulbs is burned out, so I've got some LED bulbs I'm going to throw in there. And then this already has LED tail lights which is great. The tail lights and the brakes in turn are LED. Problem with this is you get a condition called hyper flash, where because you have LED bulbs where there used to be incandescent bulbs, the load on the flasher stat is reduced, and so the flasher stat blinks way too fast. And so I've got some load stabilizers we're going to wire in for these turn signals, and it will create a balanced load as if it had all incandescent bulbs. And then that way it'll flash the normal speed. So I'm going to take care of some of that stuff. Just come inside the locker here, and you can pop those bulbs out and get to the wires easy. So it'll be a pretty easy install.